Hey guys, I wanted to talk in this video about this DIY project that I did a long time ago. I wanted to talk about. This is a mason jar lamp I made way back in 2007. I know, a long time ago. And as you can see, she still works like gangbusters. The only thing I've ever had to do differently is change the light bulb a few times. But other than that, this thing always lights up. And never had a problem with it. I used a wiring kit that you can get at Lowe's or some other store like that, and just read the instructions. It does seem tricky at first, but you can get the hang of it, you know. And my favorite thing of all, of course, was filling it up with all these little. I put all these miniature toys in mine. I'm trying to hold it every side. These were like little things that I might have, played with as a kid, and I just wanted to hang on to them for, sentimental reasons or whatever, because I'm big on collecting vintage stuff and all that. So, you can see that I'm had quite a collection in there. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that, just some miniatures, and, I just thought it looked really cool. I mean, this is like the perfect thing to use. These things that I, outgrew a long time ago was just put them in this lamp, It looked really cool, and this thing's lit up. One thing about making this lamp, the only thing I have to say that was probably hard was this part here, making the hole for the cord to go through. Now, if you get the kit, I think you may not have to deal with if you are scared or skittish about it, which is understandable because you have to use this special drill to make this small hole here, and you have to use water because of the friction and the heat and everything. I let my ex do that, so if you're insecure about that, you might want to outsource it. But I think with this socket part of the base of the lamp kit, I think there's an area where there might be an opening on it, and you might be able to thread the electric cord out of it somewhere on this base, if you're concerned about doing that, because I was a little bit. I just like the idea of having the cord all neatly contained in the mason jar. So whatever you want to do and you feel comfortable with is up to you. But anyway, this was a fun project. I do have to disclose one thing. I did change some of the anatomy. A number of years ago, I had this harp thing, which is like a metal dealie, that you prop your lampshade on. And it kind of made it harder to sit straight, so I eventually ended up buying a new kit, and I had to change everything out. So that was quite a job, but however I would skip the brass harp thing and, just get one of these, just get the kit. It'll have all this stuff, like a socket and ring things, and get a lampshade with a clip-on. And you'll have everything you need. And then you want to fill it with all your favorite stuff, like seashells or beads or mementos or whatever you want, and it should be fine. And I talk about it a little bit more on my blog post, and hope you enjoy. And thanks for watching. Bye.